Hello. Today we're going to look at the different text structures that we use to write informational text. And I'm going to show you how to use the explanatory or description graphic organizer to organize our thoughts for whatever your topic is. I'm going to use Eamon Vellani. This is who she is right here. She was Kamala Khan in Ms. Marvel, and I think she's really cool. So I'm using this information from Pebble Go Next. I'm using the information, and I'm going to plug it in to my graphic organizer right here, okay? You're going to do the same thing. You already have this information that you have taken on your notes in your note packet, right? So I'm going to use, let's see here, this area here, talking about Ms. Marvel, right, to explain. The topic of this section I'm going to use is shooting for Ms. Marvel was an extremely exciting time for Eamon Vellani, which is this actress's name. So I know it says topic here, but I'm really going to put topic sentence. So this is what this whole paragraph will end up being about. And so I'm going to come up with 3 details, and then I'm going to find an example. So I'm going to write my details down first. The first detail, she was able to work with famous actors and actresses. It says over here that she started shooting Miss Marvel series in early November 2020. It was a 6-episode series. One of Vellani's Marvel heroes, Brie Larson, plays Captain Marvel, which is my favorite, BT dubs. Vellani spoke to Larson on Zoom. Brie Larson, the actress that plays Captain Marvel, helped her get through the acting process and fit into the Marvel universe, right? So she was able to work with famous actors and actresses. Another detail that relates back to my topic that it was an exciting time to shoot Ms. Marvel was Vellani, and I just use her last name because I'm not going to say her name all of the time, the full name. She loved being Ms. Marvel, because I'm going to come back down and talk about, when I give my example, about how I'm going to give an example from the text to prove that. Another detail is Vellani was excited to help educate audiences on Pakistani culture. She was from Pakistan, and this is the first superhero that has a Pakistani background. And so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to find some examples from my text, right? She was able to work with famous actors and actresses. An example of that would be, let's see, right here. It says when she was preparing for the role Kamala Khan, which is Ms. Marvel, she worked closely with Brie Larson, and I'm going to put Captain Marvel, on how to portray Ms. Marvel. Now I'm going to make this a little small. Well, let's see here if I can make it a little smaller, just so I can fit it all in here. Okay, so this example goes exactly with this detail right here. Now, Vellani loved being Ms. Marvel. Well, I know, because this is one of my favorite superheroes, I know that she was really excited because she loved comic books, and it was a dream come true. So I'm going to put in here, and so it says right here, for a nerdy girl who loved comic books, Joining the MCU family was a real dream come true. So I'm going to write right here, example. When she joined I'm going to put MCU too, or Marvel Comic Universe, because my readers, I haven't introduced it yet. When she joined the Marvel Comic Universe, it was a dream come true because she loved comic books. Okay? And then, let's see. So that goes along with she loved being Ms. Marvel. Then it also says that I also wrote that she was excited to help educate audiences on Pakistani culture. Well, in the show, Ms. Marvel, Kamala Khan showed how violent it was in Pakistan. Right here. She also showed the culture as the show, because the show walked through the life of Kamala Khan. Okay? Because, her family also was Pakistani. So that's all I have to do right here. I just jotted that down. I used information from my text. I didn't copy it word for word. I took this information and I cut it down to here. Okay? So now that you know what to do, off you go.